Most people don't realize that there's not even yet a ban on asbestos. And so we still import products that contain asbestos. You can have a building built as recently as yesterday, and it can have mirror asbestos, it can have drywall with asbestos in it, it can have pipe joints with asbestos in it.
Any downtown like this, I mean, there's tons of old buildings, and those are typically just full of abatement.
So the amount of work for there to be done with respect to indoor contaminants has a long tail, and we've not yet begun to scratch the surface.
Really, if you get down to it and you think about it, from the 40s and 50s through late 70s, you had hundreds of thousands of contractors out there putting this material into these buildings. And since 80, 81, we've had literally just a few hundred contractors going behind them now and trying to remove all this stuff. So I don't see asbestos running out in my lifetime.
There's been so much deferred maintenance with respect to asbestos and other building contaminants where much of the problem has not been dealt with. Those things are going to become bigger and bigger problems as time goes on. When those things come up and you need 40 or 50 or 150 people in containment to get the job done, that's going to be a unique advantage for Snyder in the future.